Hello, we got a little quick video here on the electron volt. Electron volt is really just a unit of energy, and we're going to just take a quick little look at this. And so to kind of give an idea of what an electron volt is, first of all, we're going to answer a couple of questions. In a cathode ray tube, one electron is accelerated from rest by a potential difference of 1 volt. So what is the initial kinetic energy of an electron? Well, it's going to start off at 0. Why 0? Well, because it's at rest. It is not moving, so it does not have any kinetic energy stored within it. But if we want to calculate the change in the energy here, well, on our formula sheet we see this. Right? The change in potential difference is equal to the change in energy divided by the charge, which really means that the change in energy is equal to the potential difference times the charge. Well, we already have been told that this is 1.0 volts, and the charge being 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs means that the change in energy is going to be 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. So how much does it have after being accelerated by 1 volt? Well, this electron is going to have 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules of energy. And that's really all what an electron volt is. It's just a unit of energy, the amount of energy by a single electron after it's been accelerated by 1 volt. Now, this is quite handy because if we are accelerating electrons, really we just need to see what the potential difference is, how many volts, and that is how much energy the electron is going to have, because 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. So if we wanted to just do a conversion, and this ratio here is on your formula sheet. But if we want to do the ratio, if we got 2.7 times 10 to the negative 18 joules of energy, we're going to multiply that by 1 electron volt over 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. And really this is just multiplying by 1 because these energies are equivalent to one another. And what you wind up with is 17 electron volts of energy to 2 significant digits. Well, if I wanted to convert the other way, 12 electron volts, I'm going to take that 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules and over 1 electron volt, because again, these are the same amounts of energy, just different units. You wind up with 1.92 times 10 to the negative 18 joules. And that is to 3 significant digits. So, again, the most powerful reason to use this is because the amount of voltage that we have set on our cathode ray tube is going to be the amount of energy that the electrons have. Thanks for watching.